Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video we discussed about the institutions which involve in standard setting. So in this video we are going to discuss the difficulties, what are the difficulties in setting the accounting standards. So the institutions which are responsible for framing the accounting standards, the main institution is ICAI with association of ASB. So Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in association with Accounting Standard Board is the main institution which is responsible for forming the accounting standards. So what are the difficulties they came across while framing the accounting standards that we are going to discuss in today's video. So these are some difficulties which the institutions came across while they are informing the accounting standards. So first difficulty is difficulties in definition. So here scope and principles of the accounting standards are difficult. So why it is difficult? It is difficult because it is not accepted totally by the society. For example, they are public accountants, public accounting. So public accounting here in the sense it means public accountants, certified public accountants, they are responsible for to serve the clients such as businesses, retailers, manufacturers and other types of clients. So they are certified public accountants. Here it is assumed that the accounting is having a basis in the private enterprise. So first of all, the problem here is the accounting is assumed to be arise in the public sector. So here certified public accountants and private sector has different definition, so only the auditor is unable to define the work. So here the problems of the auditor, the problems involved in doing the auditing when compared to the certified public accountants and the private enterprise is different. So here the scope and the principles are different in the public accountants and in the private enterprise. So here while we are talking about two types of accountants, one is public and one is private, there is difference in the definition of the scope of the accounting standards, principles of the accounting standards. So here difficulty is when we have two types of sectors, one is public accountant and another is private enterprise economy. Next is political bargaining. Of course, this politics is involved in everything. Earlier but not so many years ago, accounting was a thought that which does not have any political issue. Accounting could be a thought of as non-political subject. Accounting nalli ನಾವು ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು accounting has become a political subject. Before it was non-political subject, now accounting has also become a political subject. How it has become a political subject? Because today the standard setting process reveals everything which is to be hid by the company. Companies ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಫೇಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈ ಫೇಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೈಬ್ ದಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮನಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದೇರ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾವ್ after introduction of the accounting standards, what accounting standards are telling, they have to reveal every information which is true and fact. So fact, true information represent ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ accounting standards force ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, while they are framing the accounting standards, there is a involvement of the politics. ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೇನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಗೇನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಜರ್ difficulty. While they are involving the politics in the standard setting, there is no use of making the accounting standards. For what purpose the accounting standards are made? To bring a uniformity, to bring the transparency in the accounting information, to make the accounting information true and fact. But if there is a politics involved in the setting process of the accounting standards, if they introduce their rules and regulations according to their own interest, then there is no use of introducing these accounting standards. So that is the second difficulty faced by the ICAI in setting the accounting standards. Next is conflicts in the accounting theories. So here accounting theories, we know there is a remarkable growth in the accounting theory. We have different accounting theories on different concepts. We have accounting theories on income measurement, we have accounting theories for asset valuation, we have accounting theories on capital maintenance. So for each and every concept there are so many theories. So which theory the institution should follow, there is a conflict. Which theory is best, which theory should be followed, there is a conflict, there is a confusion in the accounting theories, as the accounting theories are many. And also the developed countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, they also have different accounting theories, and each and every country follow their own accounting theories. But as our country is developing, our country is facing conflicts in accepting the accounting theories, and there is sectional interest found that the theories could be support their own causes and arguments. Each and every theory, for example, if we used to follow the USA theories, which have very different theories on this concept, this USA theory has their own advantages, own causes and own arguments. If we want to follow the UK theories, it has also their own argument, own causes and own disadvantages. So there is a conflict in adopting the accounting theories, which accounting theory should be followed. Next is pluralism. So here pluralism in the sense, in the last class we discussed that the accounting institution which are responsible for framing the accounting standards are the main was ICAI. We discussed the Ministry of Corporate Affairs also. We also discussed about the Cost Accountants of India and the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. We also discussed about the SEBI. We also discussed about the Income Tax Act, and now we also discussed about the company law. So there is no single authority which is responsible for forming the accounting standard. No doubt ICAI is the main authority, but ICAI is getting the guidance from the company law also, it is getting the guidance from the Cost Accountants of India also, it is getting guidance from SEBI also, and thought there are more than two authorities involved in setting the accounting standards, there is some difficulty. So these are the difficulties in framing the accounting standards. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your group or in the comments below. Thank you.